What is going on, my YouTube friends? Guys, gals, I hope everybody is finding yourself happy and well. Yeah, buddy. So anyhow, I had finally got the transmission for the Fairmont. Yes, the guy called me yesterday. I went over there yesterday evening and I picked it up. I didn't get it for the price I wanted, but hey, you know what? These C4s are getting hard to find. And I probably got one or two at the junkyard. I just didn't look, but this was a lot easier. I already had this trans built back in 09 or 010, something like that. So basically is what I'm gonna do is take this trans over to another guy and he's gonna go through it for me. So, I wanna make sure it's right before I put it in the car and get ready to go. Rock and roll, yeah baby. So when I had this trans built, I had all the good bands and everything put in it. I think I spent probably right around $2,000 getting this thing built years ago with everything, I got the trans brake and reverse pattern and all that good stuff, you know what I mean? Yeah, buddy, gotta have it in the C4. Reverse trans brake means a lot. So anyhow, guys, girls, let me turn this around and show you what we got. Yeah, buddy. Here we go. C4. It's case filled. You got the small bell housing on it. So yeah, she's ready to go, man. Ready to rock and roll. But I'm gonna get it checked out, get it all done and everything. It's got the trans brake and all the stuff on it. So it's been a long time since I've had this trans, but it looks like the one to me, from what I can remember, because I don't have no pictures of it back when I built the notchback. But this came out of my 1990 SSP notchback that I had, the red one. I'm sure you guys seen pictures of it and that. If not, I'll place a picture right here of it. But yeah, this thing was a strong runner. It was on the back of a 408. I ran 1080s with a garage tune. We tuned the carburetor and set the time, everything here in the garage, took it to the track, ran 1080s. It was a pretty good running car. And I probably, if I would have spent some more time, I'd have got a lot better time out of it, but I ended up selling it. Then some friends of mine had end up with the car a couple years later, and they blew the engine up in it. And so they used this transmission in another car behind this motor, which I got all the goodies for that. I'm gonna probably try to put that together today. I'm a new grandfather, so I gotta go see the baby. I haven't been over and seen the baby yet. So I am gonna make that with that. And I'm not sure exactly what torque converter I'm gonna use. This had a nitrous converter on it. So I'm not sure. I'm gonna do a little research and find out exactly, because the guy, when he put this engine together, he was gonna run nitrous through it. I'm not going to. So I'm gonna have to find out and see exactly what I need to do about the converter. They gave me the converter. Let me show you. It's around here somewhere. What I do with it. There it is. So that's the converter that came out of the setup. And like I said, his was set for nitrous. So we're gonna get her done. So I probably won't end up using that converter. We'll see what it is. And then here's the new timing chain cover that I got for it. I painted it last night, so I'm gonna go ahead and try to get that installed tonight. Again, I'm working again tomorrow, so I'm gonna try to get some stuff done tonight. Yeah, buddy. So yeah, I'm anxious. I'm glad I got the transmission now, so it's another piece of the puzzle. Pretty soon we'll be getting there together. Yeah, buddy. Let me get this turned around. We're getting things bought. Gonna get the trans checked out, and we'll start mating this stuff together. I'm gonna find out exactly what torque converter I'm gonna put in this. I gotta find some headers. Yeah, because of these ports, and these are high ports, so it takes a different flange. So I'm gonna have to find me some headers for this. I know Cook's got them, and I think Hooker headers, I think they got a set too, so we'll be going in there. I really do like Cook's headers. I had them on my 408 and my notchback, years back, and they fit perfect. So they're great. And this right here won't be hard to fit headers in there because I got the Team Z cross K member and everything, so gives me a little bit more room to play. Yeah, buddy. But anyhow, I just wanted to show you the update I got on the Fairmont. Pretty soon we're gonna start putting this bad boy together, huh? Yeah, buddy. Hey, you guys are awesome. I don't care what anybody says. And if anybody tells you any different, you tell them come see me and I'll tell them you're awesome. Have a great rest of your day, night, whatever time it is you watch this. Yeah, buddy.